Alright, so here we have the Holmes Blizzard Stand fan that I got from my dad's pharmacy a half an hour ago, and it actually still works perfectly. All it needs is just a little bit cleaning. Just look at that, it's really dusty. Everything right here is dusty. It's not really in perfect condition because like the fan grill is like about to crack and everything. This is from manufacturing in January of 2010 or 2001, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe 10 or 1. Might be in from October 2001 or January 2010. But I'm not sure if these kind of fans were made in 2001 or something. But let's see if it still works. I plugged it in right there, so let's see if it works. Let's put this one on high. Still, wait, it actually still works. Let's just turn it on. There it goes. This thing is blowing a maximum of air right there. It's medium. Low. It's not that loud to be on low. And yeah, it actually still oscillates, which is really, really good. Doesn't even turn on right, not very surprising at all, but yeah. This is a good working Holmes Blizzard fan. Alright, let's turn it off. It's got 3 fan blades. But yeah, this is a good working fan, so otherwise I have to clean this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right now and clean it, so it's over now.